Is the tailgate on your ute really heavy? Do you want to know how to lighten it up? In this video, I'm going to show you what I've done to make my tailgate a little bit lighter to release, so that way it doesn't slam down. Alright, so let me show you what I've done. This is also to help my wife out. But what you do is, you just open it up, sorry, and it will just gently fall down. So what you can buy, if you didn't know already, was you can get these gas struts. These gas struts are really simple to fit. You just remove the stock standard bolt from the top, and you replace it with this lug. You clip the strut on, they're directional, so you've got to put them in a certain way. And what they do is they just bolt on down the bottom here. So the particular one I got, they're just cheap and nasties off eBay, and they only do the down function. So lifting it up, it's still quite heavy, but dropping it down, it just really slows down the bottom. Now I've got one on either side. You can go for the more expensive type, which Grunt 4x4 do. Not affiliated with, just a product I know of. They also do the up. So one of the struts goes up and down, and the other strut is just a down. So to lift it up, it makes it a whole bunch lighter, but I don't really care because I slam it shut anyway. So that's just a product that you might not know about, is tailgate struts. Really simple to fit. I'm not going to do an instructional video on them. Pretty much it's just remove the bolt that's already there holding in the cable, put this in, put the cable back in, circlip the pin on, make sure it's facing down so that way it doesn't get caught on the cable, and undo that bolt, put the plate on, split pin that on, sorry, the plate's already split pinned to that, and then you can just bolt it back on. As you can see, mine's starting to get a bit of rust. I don't really care. I can just tighten that back up actually. Oh, I didn't know that. You learn something new when you're making videos. And then that's fine. So yeah, any questions, leave a comment below, shoot me a message. Yeah, I'm happy to try and go over as much stuff as I can. So yeah, thanks for watching.